What's the meaning of bigoted? Bigoted. Bigoted.
Bigoted. Bigoted. The term bigoted refers to someone who holds strong and unreasonable prejudices or biases against a particular group of people. This type of person is often closed-minded and unwilling to consider alternative viewpoints or evidence that contradicts their beliefs. Bigotry can manifest in a variety of ways, including racism, sexism, homophobia, religious intolerance, and other forms of discrimination. In essence, bigoted individuals are deeply committed to their own narrow worldview and are unwilling to entertain the possibility of other perspectives or experiences that differ from their own. This can lead to harmful actions and attitudes towards others who are different from them.